Well, I would call that a positive response. It sure seemed like a lot of you liked that last POV video that I released, so why not have another one? In fact, why not have another one on the same two exact trails, Spencer and Flincher Gap? Except this time, I'll ride behind Alex, the Singletrack sampler. I'll try to keep up as this is the first time I've ridden those trails. The other difference is that this video was filmed in May of 2019, so basically spring in North Carolina, as opposed to the one with Seth and Kevin, which was filmed in basically fall in November of 2019. So you won't see any of the leaves, you'll get to see all the rocks that we were skipping around on in the last video. So while it seemed like you guys did like that last video, be sure to like this one and leave a comment below that you do want to see more POV in the future from me, because I do have some footage in the archives that I could pull out and kind of piece together some videos. And I am going to be riding in some new places where I can make additional POV videos for you guys in the future. So let me know in the comments and with the little thumbs up button down below that you like this kind of stuff, and I'll make some more. Until next time, thanks for watching.
Everybody ready?
No, go ahead, buddy. You're up.
The tree is the crux.
Thanks, buddy.
No worries, guys.
Oh, yeah, dude. What, do you think you're special or something?
I just want to have some fun.
You can't have fun behind us. That's cool. I see how it is.
Man, this would be Ow.
I'm gonna.
Are you ready?
I gotta feel out our guide.
Yeah, evaluation time.
Oh, here.
Right
I was gonna let you pay me. Pay me. You want to
Feel him out.
Feel it out?
Oh,
All right,
Yeah, still
dude.
there.
I rubbed poison ivy.
I'm here.
It's getting steamy, man. My glasses are
All right,
fogging up.
guys. This is a super fun trail. It's very unique
We're
to
gonna
the
go very
Pisgah.
fast.
It's kind of flowy. So let's have fun.
Ride fast, take chances.
Rubber side down. Sneaky third.
Hearing conflicting messages.
So you guys ready?
Woo!
Yeah, you good?
Yeah. Feels like bike park runs.
Oh yeah, dude. You can go so fast. But the key is getting that line through all these rock spots.
Slow down for a lens check. You clean? You? Wrap.
Good shit.
You.
That's so fun.
Yeah. That's really good.
Nice! Yeah!
Yeah, buddy. Bridge. Yeah, buddy.
Love that section.
Sick.
Good job, Joe.
Yo,
Dude, turkey
awesome.
season.
Okay. You guys all good?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take her easy for the start. Get my glasses on fog. Tom, where are you going in this?
Behind Joe.
Whoop whoop! Come over that ass.
Oh, yo. Yeah. Oh, tree. Yeah. Keep pedaling. He's not lying. He's all ass on this thing. Yeah. Sick. That was insane.
Oh man, I want to do it again, but push harder. That was like
You were pedaling it last time on the flats. It was awesome.
70%, I'd say.
How'd that feel?
I don't want to get messed up.
Felt better.
Yeah?
Especially now that the roof shock's open.
The rear shock's now open. That's funny.
Shit. I might have